Hello guys, welcome to color balance of adjustment in Photoshop 2025. Let's start. So sometimes you have project to change this grayscale black and white color into different colorizing, like a red cloth for skin, to create color for skin, for lips, eyes. So let's start. Go to first image, take a look. Your color mode must be RGB. And next, hold Alt key, zoom in. No matter, you can start from this part by quick selection. Hold Alt and change the size of the cursor, right click, take a look. In keyboard you have bracket, close bracket, press close bracket and select. So after selection of this part, you can go to layer, adjustment mask and select color balance and create color for this part. Okay, select again layer and zoom in. And now time to make color for the lips. How to select? Let's try quick selection. Select, change the size by pressing the keyboard bracket button. Select this part of the lips, hold Alt key, Control, now right click, make fader 3, zoom out and go to adjustment mask, select color balance and make color for the lips. Make a red color, zoom out. Okay guys, and now select the skin, the most important part of the image. Select the skin, press Ctrl O, let's import image. And now go to window, arrange to up vertical. Close the properties, move the layer window here, hold space, move and select the hand, hold Alt key, deselect this part, zoom in, change the size, hold Alt key, deselect the lips, the eyes, the eyebrows, okay, and now right click, make fader 3, okay. Okay guys, and now go to layer, adjustment effect, select color balance. So take a look, this image, create color like this for this image. Control the red, control this one, not bad, not bad, good. Hairs. Okay guys, the background, the hair, if you need to make color, it's your homework. And now Thanks for watching. This was about color balance of adjustment.